Hi, I'm Stephen Evans and we are at Peg Leg Studios, and today we are building a planter box. These are a great way to dress up your patio or deck, and it's a simple project that you can do in a day. I've gathered my tools here on the bench, but I'll leave you a list at the end of the video. Pressure treated wood is a great selection for this project because it stands up well to outside elements, and that is what I'm going to be using today. If, however, you're growing food in your planter box, you might want to use something like white oak, or in this case, western red cedar. The downside being it's a little bit more expensive. The next step is to measure and cut the boards. The planter I am building is 30 inches long and 11 inches tall, but you can adjust that depending on the size of what you want to plant. I used a miter saw to cut down a piece of 8-foot decking. You'll need 4 30-inch pieces, 2 each for the front and back of the planter. Then 2 11-inch pieces for the ends and a 28-inch board for the bottom. The bottom of your planter box will be the inner width and length of your frame. Now we are ready to assemble the planter. I am first going to drill pilot holes to prevent the wood from cracking when I add the screws. Drill 3 equidistant pilot holes a ½ inch from the edge of each of the boards for the front and the back. Add a touch of wood glue. Line up the bottom boards with the end pieces. Then drive screws through the pilot holes. Next, attach the front and back panels. Now I'm going to turn the planter over and drill 3 drainage holes in the bottom of the box. And add feet using the offcuts from the material. Now place a piece of landscape fabric at the bottom of the planter to protect the wood base. I'm going to hold this in place with staples. Putting a finishing coat on your planter will protect it from the elements and keep it looking new. If you're not painting the planter box, give it a quick sanding to smooth out the surface. Apply the finish to the entire planter box inside and out. Now that our planter is dry, it's time to add plants. Line the bottom with a layer of river rock or pebbles to ensure proper drainage. Fill the planter about 3/4 full of potting soil. Now the final step is to add the plants. When you are ready to build your own planter, here's a full list of tools and materials you will need. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.